The State University of Iowa broke with a tradition held for over 100 years at that school by awarding the first degree ever given off campus to Mr. Hoover. They bestowed the highest honor, the Honorary Doctorate of Law's degree. President of the Iowa State Board of Regents, Dwight Ryder, read the charge to President of the State University of Iowa, Dr. Virgil M. Hancher. The State University of Iowa bestows upon this great humanitarian and grateful recognition of his more than 80 years of dedicated and continuing public service as a distinguished engineer and economist, renowned intellectual leader, courageous champion of world peace, faithful and trusted public official, its Honorary Doctor of Law's degree.